Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. My people, now I'm going to present a video to you, and in this video, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she's seeking help financially to get surgery done to a part of our body. My people, I want you to listen to the things that the female said in this video. And I want you to share this video as much as possible. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Alright, this is Deandra Pierce, the young lady with the tumor. Yes, so as I stated on the last video, the result from my biopsy came back good. It's not cancerous, thank God. And once more, I'd like to thank everyone who helped me financially, who called and checked up on me. I really appreciate it. All those who pray for me, I really appreciate it, and I'm very grateful. So I'm now scheduled to do surgery. Once the money is ready, I can have the surgery done anytime soon, but between now and January. I'm scheduled to do surgery in Kingston. However, I got an estimate bill for almost 400,000 for the surgery, and I have to pay another 200,000 for a plate and screw, to set back my teeth, nose, and everything in place after the surgery. To stay at the hospital is $3,000 a day, $3,000 for 1 day, and I'll have to go in a week before my surgery. So if my surgery is next week, I would have to go in the week before, and I'm not sure how long I'll be staying in there after the surgery, because I have to stay in there for a while. So the doctors can check my mouth daily to make sure there is no infection and make sure it's healing properly. So it's a great cost, as well as the doctors told me that maybe they'll have to run maybe 2 more tests to see if anything else developed, any bone damage or anything like that. So everything will be up to maybe $1 million when I check it out, and things for me to maybe consume is not in it. So I'm asking anyone out there willing to assist me with the surgery. I really appreciate it, no matter how small it is. I'm grateful, because as I stated, I haven't worked from 2020. I have this swelling from 2019, so it's 3 years now. Alright, so going to doctors back and forth, so everything is going well so far. It's just that the swelling is just a bit more from the last time. As you can see, my teeth them twist, them lean, and all of that. I'm having difficulty breathing. As I stated, I'm not able to breathe through this nostril, as well as I'm having difficulty eating, sleeping, and all of that. It's hard for me to even brush my teeth with even a baby toothbrush, because the bleeding starts from here. It keeps bleeding, the blood is spilling, so it's really hard, it's difficult, right? So I'm very young, as everyone can see. In December is my birthday, I will be 23. I really want to get rid of this thing. I really want my face to go back to normal. I want my life to go back to normal. I want to be able to work again, eat properly, sleep, do everything. It's hard. But anyone willing to help, I really appreciate it. There will be a GoFundMe account in which this video will be attached to, as well as my phone number is 1-876-485-3588. That's 1-876-485-3588. And I have an NCB account as well. The account number is 754-368020. That's an NCB account, 754-368020. And the name on the account is Deandra Pierce. That's DIANDRAPEARCE. So anyone want to reach out to me or you want to call to make sure, you can contact me by my phone number, which is 1-876-485-3588. And continue to pray for me, you all. I appreciate it, and we leave everything in God's hands. Everything will be successful. Thank you.
Did you hear the things that you said in the video? And did you hear the number that you mentioned in the video? Well, I was contacted through WhatsApp with that same number that you mentioned in the video. And certain things have been explained to me, viewers and subscribers. I also received the pictures through the WhatsApp by that same number. And at least one of those pictures that I saw shows, I'm going to say red in the female's mouth, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, look, the thing is, viewers and subscribers, but present the video to you so that you can hear the things that the female said. I really and truly hope that you get the help that she's looking for. Because sickness can happen to any one of us, you know. Sickness can happen to anyone. You see me and some people? You know, sometimes I wonder, why is it that healthcare couldn't be something that is just 100% free and all them things there? So I say, sometimes I wonder, why is it that certain positions and situations and settings in our life just set a certain way that seems heartless? But I present this video to you so that you, my viewers and subscribers, can know about the things that the female said in this video. And hopefully by presenting this video, she can get the help that she's looking for. And I read my people. See? So share this video and you can let me know what you think. Alright? Next topic. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a female went to a house one night to confront someone, and the female accused someone of talking about her all night. Now, viewers and subscribers, I also saw another video on social media about this whole situation, and I would like you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think about this situation. Please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Are you off your take your whole day talking about me? Whole fucking day again. Don't hide inside now, come outside. Come outside. Don't hide inside now, police has to come here tonight. Come outside. You had the worst statistic on the media. Come outside now, Blue. Please come outside now. Come outside, please now, Blue. Whole night you're talking, girl. Whole night, girl. Let all the followers on them because you're on a live talking, but all the followers on them waiting. Let the followers on them not reach. Come outside. Yes, Zach, bring me your shit. Come outside. I'm gonna drag your mother. Come outside, man. Come outside, man. Come to outside. Come outside. I ran for the. Are you here? Come outside, girl. On the right, take everybody for kicks. It's outside and where you come outside. Or let's get everybody the same. Come to outside, you. You're on a live whole night talk. fucking mommy. Come outside. I will beat the leukemia lying mother out here. Come outside. Come outside. Don't peep. Come outside. Or let us flip out the wrong set of people, girl. Come outside, girl. Let me see my phone there. I want you outside. It's outside. You. Come outside.
So the female keep on telling the person to come outside, viewers and subscribers, and you can hear at least one person talking in the background of the video. And viewers and subscribers, I want you to look carefully at a window that you can see in the video, viewers and subscribers. Tell me what you see when you look at the window. You see me I say? In a part of the video. Some people that call a situation like that drama. Some people might also call a situation like that mix up and blender. Some people might also call a situation like that other names. And in my point of view, a situation like that seems really bad and might be, can be dangerous, Yeah, I tell you, I mean to go at someone's home or a house where someone live to confront them in an aggressive way, I think that can be a very bad situation, trust me. Anyways, my people, now I would like you to tell me, what would you do if you was in the position of either one of those persons, viewers and subscribers? Yeah, let me know what I think about that video. All right, I'm going to move on to another video. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when quite a number of police officers from within the country of Jamaica arrived at a location within the country of Jamaica. Now you might be wondering why so many police arrived at that location. But in my point of view, once I say quite a number of police officers arrive at a location, then there seems to be something going on. Anyways, the video has been talked about on social media. So I'm going to take a look at the video and tell me what you think. Alright? Please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in the video. So viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Good afternoon. Yes, man. So come here and do something.
Cash yourself.
Hello.
The road block over.
Just them two man the rest, let me say.
Look there. Road block off.
So we can see them.
Like me. Watch out. More still a pull up. No matter where them man they come from. One bomb in the car. Where them a go plant?
So them start around everybody.
And them now want you see a wine at the car.
You know what can I video? Oh.
Now, you're there at a location and you see so much police stop at a certain location. You might be wondering, what happened? I'm going to be really there too, I know some Jamaicans would leave, take with themselves, but you have some people have high curiosity. I tell you the truth, my people. Yeah, some people have high curiosity. I tell my people. Anyways, I'm not getting a confirmed information as to what going on there, so. But just found that video to be interesting, I mean, the amount of police officers arrive at that location. So obviously, something happened. Let me know what you think about all the videos that I presented to you in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.